In my last video I talked a little bit about Web 2.0 tools being unreliable, and I want to clarify that point. I think there's two ways to look at Web 2.0 tools. The first one is as a mode to create and publish online. The others being tools to use for collaboration and communication. It's the first type that are the ones that are seeming unreliable and maybe not even worth the time. At the same time, I want to say that I do believe that Web 2.0 is the future. It's the new frontier of educational technology as we move toward collaborative processes. The collaborative tools, those like Google Docs, those like social media, and many others, are ones that I do find value in. What I was looking at as being unreliable are ones where we go online, produce content there, publish it, and then start the conversation. To mediate the unreliable tools, I am an advocate for using tools such as blogging tools. Those tend to be far more reliable and robust, and in which case, as students produce offline, if they create other digital products, even analog products that are scanned in or whatnot, they can then be published using those blogging tools. And as I say, I think that that really is the future, using tools in that manner. Or half as much. The other half, as I said, being communicating and collaborating online in real time or asynchronous, as the case may be for blogging. To extend on the idea of web tools being communicative and collaborative, or the read-write web, as Ben Wilkoff commented on my last video, there's many tools that I do find reliable, those being the social media that are very popular and powerful. We've got Skype, Google Drive, and the suite of tools available there. Those are tools that we can use online, and the product is the communication that's happening. These tools aren't producing some sort of artifact that then gets shared and discussed so much as the artifact being the conversation itself. And I find that very powerful, and where the socially constructive learning is really happening. On a little bit of a side note, the read-write web is really where the internet is at right now. No longer do we go online just to get information. Even the sources that we used to use, and to some extent still do, have a social aspect to them. For example, Wikipedia, a great source of information, but great source of discussion as well. If you click on the Talk tab on any of the articles there, you see how much collaborative work actually goes into those articles. They're not written by one person and then shared or proofread. They are very much a collaborative process. This is the type of collaborative work that I'd like to see more of in classrooms all around, my own included. With that being said, I invite you to respond. How are you using Web 2.0 tools? Are they used in a way different than I described in one of these two ways? Are you finding other ways to overcome the unreliableness of these tools? I look forward to hearing your response.